Hello, welcome to the December edition of the 7th grade mathematics parent video newsletter. In this video, I will share a game that supports your child's understanding of integer addition and subtraction from Unit 1. This is a great way to reinforce what an integer is and help the students quickly realize how to solve and answer integer problems. Plus, playing a game is a better way to reinforce concepts than doing worksheets. Most kids love to play cards. A standard deck of playing cards is a great resource for reinforcing integer concepts. In this game, we will be using a variation of the classic game War. Now, to play this game, you can either take out the jacks, queens, kings, aces, jokers, or you can assign them a numerical value, like ace is 1, jack is 11, queen is 12, so on. But regardless of what you choose, the clubs and spades, the black cards, would represent positive numbers, and the diamonds and hearts, the red cards, would represent negative numbers. And understand that you could use multiple decks of cards at one time to play this game to make it last a little longer and be a little more exciting. So to play the game, you would divide the cards into even piles for each player. Now, here's where we can talk about different variations. We could have a variation where students each turn over one card in their pile, and the player with the higher or the larger value card would win the cards. Or you can have each player turn over two cards and add or subtract their values. You would decide which variation you're going to play before the game begins. Play would continue until one player has all the cards. If there's a tie where each player comes up with the same value, then we would just turn over additional cards and use the second card's value to determine the winner. We can play this game with more than two players, and some additional variations may include the lowest value, the highest or lowest absolute value. Your player would turn over two cards and then perform an operation that would be decided before the game. Now I will model how to play the game using the variation where we would add the two cards together and determine who has the highest value. As you can see, I have my cards divided for each player, and player 1 would turn over two cards. Here they have positive 5, plus negative 9. And following the rules for integer addition, the signs are different. So I subtract the numbers. 9 minus 5 is 4. And the 9 has a greater absolute value, so we take the sign of that number. The second player would then turn over their two cards. They have negative 5 and positive 10. So thinking about this, we have negative 5 plus 10. And again, following the rules for integer addition, the signs are different, so I subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. And 10 has a greater absolute value. Its sign is positive, so my answer is positive. 5 is a larger value, and therefore player 2 gets to keep the cards from both players. And then it's the next player's turn. Thank you for watching today's video on integer addition. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and check back for more videos.